Hi there, welcome to a new quest. In this lesson, we will be discussing processes by which living organisms obtain their food in a topic titled Modes of Nutrition. We have established that all living things, including plants, animals, and protists, require food. Therefore, you will agree with me that plants and animals do not obtain their food by the same process. This means all organisms have a different mode by which they take in food in order to obtain energy and the materials necessary for growth and repair of damaged body parts. So let's learn more about these modes of nutrition. Generally, there are two modes of nutrition. These are autotrophic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. But sometimes, some organisms can exhibit both modes of nutrition, and they are called mixotrophs. An example would be protists. Euglena gracilis can use both autotrophic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. If you remember that from the earlier lessons, good. We have also discussed what autotrophs are. These are organisms that can manufacture their own food. We mentioned that green plants are autotrophs because they can manufacture their food by photosynthesis. This process, where a green plant uses sunlight to manufacture its own food, is called photoautotrophic mode of nutrition. It is a subdivision of the autotrophic mode of nutrition. We also have some species of bacteria that can manufacture their own food using chemical energy. This is another type of autotrophic nutrition called chemoautotrophic mode of nutrition. These organisms are called chemosynthetic organisms. The second mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. This mode of nutrition is practiced by all animals, some non-green plants, and other organisms that are not autotrophs. From our previous lessons, I believe you know what heterotrophic mode of nutrition is. It is the process whereby organisms that cannot manufacture their own food depend on autotrophic organisms either directly or indirectly. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is further divided into different forms of nutrition. These include holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiotic nutrition, and insectivorous plants. In the subsequent lessons, we will be taking our time to discuss each of these forms of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. But before then, let's try to summarize what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned that living organisms obtain their food through two different modes, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. We also learned that autotrophic mode of nutrition can either be photoautotrophic, like a photosynthetic green plant, or chemoautotrophic, like the chemosynthetic bacteria. Finally, we learned that the heterotrophic nutrition is subdivided into holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiotic nutrition, and insectivorous plants. I'll see you in the next lesson.